Oof. So it's Lime Prime, Blue Root, some plush microphone. And drying aid. So dry the bodywork and then dry. So once you've worked your way around the car with the all-purpose cleaner and detailing brush, this is If you've not seen the wheel video, click on the, oh man. And basically what you're looking at doing here is removing any tar, iron, or any other contaminants. So today we are going to be using the orange plush drying towel, a generic blue drying towel, a back to basics drying towel, and also, is it time to dry? One of the problems that you will get, particularly if you live in a hard water area, is water. So the reason we've got two drying towels here is one for the paintwork and one for the wheels, as simple as that. The drying aid, that is used to help the towels mop up that water. So the reason we've got two towels here today then is one for the paintwork and one for the wheels. We've also got the drying aid. So the reason we've got two towels today then is one for the paintwork and one for the wheels. We've also got the dry. Just drape that over the windscreen, and either with a patting motion or a light. I like to fold my drying towels into quarters. Start off by dry. As always, thanks very much. And again, thank you very much to Dodo Juice for sponsoring this series. If you would like to be in with a chance. Again, thanks very much to Dodo Juice for sponsoring this series. If you would like to. Again, thank you very much for Dodo. Again, thank you very much to Dodo Juice for sponsoring this series. If you'd like to try and win these products, just leave a comment below saying. Again, thank you very much to Dodo Juice for sponsoring this series. Oh. And just dab that product all over that imaginary section and then work it in a circular overlapping manner. So make sure you're working out of direct sunlight if possible. The last thing you want to do is for the polish to bake on. So as always with working, and apply some pea-sized amounts to your microfiber applicator. So you want to make sure you're working in the shade or at least out of, and apply the product onto the panel and just divide the panel in your head into 6 to 8 sections. Right, I don't even know what I've said anymore. A few pea-sized amounts to your applicator. Apply a few pea-sized amounts to your applicator. So ideally, we'll be covering that in the last video. So with the glass or clean, then you can choose to apply a glass sealant if you wish. In this video, we're going to be looking at cleaning and protecting your exhaust, your trim, your alloys and your tyres. Christ almighty, that f***ing... So we're getting towards the end of the series then, and I'm going to be looking at tyre dressings and tyre applicators. Trim, tyre. We're going to be looking at trim dressings and trim applicators. We're going to be looking at tyre dressings and tyre applicators. Metal polishers, metal. Start off with the trim first, and when I say trim, I mean the plastic panel. I'm either plastic. So hopefully you found this video useful and this. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, please make sure you smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do consider subscribing. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram at Detailing World Official. Make sure you, what's dodo juice called? Check the previous episode. You can also check the previous episodes in the link up here as well. So yep, we'll see you in the next episode.